Today I am going to show you how to make magic bouncy balls. You can make up to 43 balls. There's different sizes and you can make many different colors, or you can add multicolors into the ball. Now this is the package of all the powders. We have many colors here: pink, there's green, there's blue, there's even yellow and orange. This is the cup of clear water that you will also need, and a container to dry them in. So you will need a cup of clear water and a container to dry them in after. This is what the powder goes into. And when you connect them together, they form a ball shape. You take the two ends and snap, and they stick together. In the top there is a hole, and as you can see there are different sizes of these to make different size bouncy balls. Now we're going to snip away at this bag. The hole at the top of the ball shape. Making sure to shake it down, shake it around. Now I'm going to add another color because I want a green and orange bouncy ball. We snip the edge again and pour the orange into the hole. Trying here to be careful not to spill any. Tap, 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 tap. Powder. Almost done. All done. Shake that up a little bit. Now we are going to put this into the clear water cup. You will see it will sink to the bottom. You can set a timer, and you take it out after 2 minutes. So we'll wait for that to form. Now we can take it out of the cup and put it into this empty container to dry. It has to stay in there for at least 15 minutes. Not much longer than that. It will be very sticky at first. As you can see, it's somewhat sticky. we take it out of the ball-shaped container and we put it into the empty container to dry for 15 minutes. Then, after 15 minutes, we take the ball out. And we have a red, or pink and green. Oh, wait a minute. We have an orange and green. I'm sorry. We have so many here. There's a green and yellow. It even makes squares. And they bounce, as you can see. There's a yellow and orange square. Yellow and green. Wow! This is a very fun hobby. What's your favorite color for a bouncy ball? Let me know below. And please subscribe for more fun videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.